So I say this, most customers that we run into, and a lot of word of mouth, okay, we have many, many, many global repeat customers, many. We have customers that spend 30 million plus every year with us, just upgrading and changing out, which is funny because it's a CNC. Just like you have now with CNCs, most of the time you're changing the programming and you're changing the fixturing and you're still using that same machine. Well, that's what the JCC is. It's a CNC. So they're not buying new machines. I'm not buying another washer or another process. I'm just upgrading what's going on in our system to meet our new parts. That's the benefit. The other benefit is with that, we can do up to 408 different part numbers in each machine. It's a huge benefit. So now I'm not changing anything but fixtures and programs. Makes it very simple. That's why we do that.
A lot of our customers are larger automotive customers at this point. A lot of tier 1 and OEM manufacturers. We do really well with the high volume automotive parts and the consistency and the throughput that we can get on JCCs, whether it's for hydraulic manifolds, whether it's for cylinder heads, camshafts, crankshafts, valve bodies. All those parts really are a nice product for what we sell here.